Hello, welcome. Welcome to my channel Deep Learning Biology. My name is Dr. Vikas Mahardwaj. Now, through this video, I am going to teach you how global warming can lead to ice age on Earth. How the rise in level of CO2 can lead to ice age on Earth. Try to see here. Just recall the time, ancient time. Hopefully you know that in ancient time there was low oxygen concentration on Earth. So here keep in mind, earlier there was low oxygen concentration, and in the past, if you see, many times Earth has faced ice age. Try to see here how it can happen. Here, if you see, if there is going to be very high level of CO2 within the environment, so if there is going to be high level of CO2 in the environment, yes, if by chance rain is going to happen, the CO2 and the rainwater, they are going to wither rocks. So the soil which is present within the rocks, it is going to wither. Now, what is going to happen? The calcium from the rocks, it will get released, and now the CO2, within the CO2 there is carbon and calcium, they will reach to the oceans, and within the oceans what you are going to see, the deposition of limestone reef. You will see the formation of limestone reefs. So try to see here, if there is going to be increase in temperature, there will be increase in the withering of rocks. So more rocks, they are going to wither, and this way you can see that CO2 and calcium, it is going to reach, both of these elements, they will reach to the oceans, and within the oceans you will see there will be increase in deposition of limestone reefs. So here you will see that there is going to be decrease in the level of CO2 within the environment. Now here I also want to tell you, if there is going to be increase in the withering of rocks, so many minerals, mainly phosphorus, it will also reach to the oceans. So when there will be high phosphorus level within the oceans, what you are going to see? You are going to see increase in the growth of planktons. So planktons, these are microscopic organisms, their number will rise, and these planktons, you know very well, they can fix CO2, they can carry out the process of photosynthesis. Again, what is going to happen? The level of CO2, it will come down in the environment. But here, if you see, when these planktons, they are going to die, they are going to decay. So what is going to happen? That during the time of decay of these planktons, what is going to happen? The level of oxygen within the ocean, it will drop drastically. So try to see here that a stage might reach that most of the carbon, okay, which was present in the environment in the form of CO2, it will get decline, and the concentration of oxygen, it will also get decline. And if these things are going to happen, it may lead to ice age. So hopefully you are getting my point, that sometimes you see these phenomena like global warming. Yes, most of the times what we discuss, it is going to increase temperature, but now the scientists, they are telling us that yes, this increase in the level of CO2, it may also lead to the start of ice age. We don't know when it is going to start, but hopefully through this video you have learned something new. Please do like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel, Deep Learning Biology. Bye bye. Take care.